Is Joshit Singh and welcome to Gradeup, India's largest live learning platform. So guys, till this time you have discussed the questions related to your SOM and soil mechanics, right? So now it's turn for fluid mechanics. Everybody kindly please let me know if I'm audible and visible to each one of you. Everybody kindly please tell me if I'm audible and visible with full power. And then we'll begin today's session, that is your mock gate live test of fluid mechanics. We have lots and lots of questions for you. I have lots and lots of questions for you. So quickly guys, join the session and just hit the like button as soon as you are joining the session. Alright, perfect. Please let me know if I'm audible and visible, then we'll begin the session. Audible, visible, please tell me. Okay, hi Pratik, am I audible? Good noon. Perfect. Hi Hardeep, good evening. Good evening Pratik. Yes, Aman, thank you so much. Good evening. So guys, let's begin the session without any further delay, because I have lots and lots of questions and I have to discuss each one of them. So I'm going to cover complete fluid mechanics with the help of all the questions, right? You will be getting some time also to solve the questions, but then I will start telling you the answer. My whole point of this session is to give you most number of questions so that you can get a good practice of your fluid mechanics, right? So how many of you have also seen the sessions of SOM and soil mock gate test? Just send me a heart sign in the comment box, everybody, those who have watched the video of the session conducted by Abhinav sir for SOM and soil in the comment box. Please let me know, everybody. Hi Krishnikant, how are you? And hi Sonu, good evening. So let's begin the session without any further delay, right? So guys, my name is Joshit Singh and I have 3 years of teaching experience. I'm MTech from IIT Roorkee, GATE multiple times qualified, area of expertise, transportation engineering, fluid mechanics, irrigation and environmental engineering. So today we are going to get this conduct the gate mock gate test of fluid mechanics, right? So before that, let me tell you that this is the schedule for Gradeup Civil Champion YouTube channel, the revision series which is going on there. So the series name is Abhi or Josh, which is conducted by Abhinav sir and me, right? So this is the schedule, and today we have discussed this irrigation ka revision, and 8 PM we have most expected questions from irrigation. And next, today we have this schedule for this particular channel. So today we are here at fluid mechanics. We are done with the SOM, we are done with the soil, and today we are going to discuss fluid mechanics. Tomorrow we have highway engineering, same time. So let's begin the session guys. If you are full power ready, kindly send me a heart sign in the comment box and let's begin the session of this particular Gradeup gate mock test. Everyone ready? Shall I begin? The first question will appear on your screen in just 5 seconds. Let's see who will give me the first answer with full power. All right, the first question is not so hard, so I expect that most of you will give the answer. So the first question to the evening is this. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody please answer this question. Which one of the following is the bulk modulus of a fluid? Symbol has the usual meaning. So rho is the density, dp is change in pressure, and del rho is change in density. Nikita, good evening, how are you? And good evening Simran, how are you? Everybody quickly please answer this question full power ke saath. Please tell me this answer with full power. And if you don't know, let me tell you guys that the bulk modulus is nothing guys. It is you can say compressibility is inversely proportional to, or you can say it is 1 by k, right? It is 1 by k. Reciprocal of your bulk modulus is your compressibility. Correct? So basically what is bulk modulus? First of all, let's understand what is bulk modulus. So bulk modulus is nothing but it is the change in pressure, and because of this pressure increment, what is the change in volume that you are getting? So this is your volumetric strain. Obviously when the pressure will be increased, the volume will be decreased. That is why I am using negative here. Also I know that mass is a constant thing, right? Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. Cool. So also I know that mass is equals to rho into V, correct? Rho into V, correct? Right? So basically I am saying rho into V is constant. If I differentiate it, what I'm going to get? I will get rho dV plus V d rho, right, equals to 0. Or you can say it will be minus dV by V barabar d rho by rho, correct? So if I change this dv by v to d rho by rho, what I am going to get? I will get dp over d rho by rho, right, which will be equals to rho dp by d rho. So the answer should be A, right? Anybody have doubt in this? I have explained the whole thing also. Next question will appear on your screen in just 5 seconds. So everybody get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have exactly 1 minute to solve this question. Please give your best. You have exactly 1 minute to solve this question. A 50 mm diameter and 0.1 meter long cylindrical body slides vertically down in a 52 mm diameter cylindrical tube. The space between the cylindrical body and the tube wall is filled with oil of dynamic viscosity 1.9 Newton second per meter square. The velocity of fall if its weight is 16 Newton. So the weight of the cylindrical body is 16 Newton. You have to tell what is the velocity with which it is falling. Everybody give your best and try. Hi Nikhil, how are you? Everybody just give your best try and get me the answer. Full power, full power. So basically you have been told that you have a tube in which you have a cylindrical body. The tube dia is 52 mm. The dia of your cylinder is 50 mm. Your time has started already and you have only 30 seconds left. So basically what I want is, I know 1 minute is very less for this question, but I want you to start the question, at least approach. Only approach is the thing which you will be needing in gate examination. Once you know what kind of approach you have to apply here, the question will be solved, because you can easily remember the formulas, you can easily remember the concept. The whole thing is the approach. Approach will only come with the help of new type of questions only, right? So let's see how we can do this question, everybody, and let me tell you how this representation will be. So I have this tube here and the tube is having the diameter of 52 mm, correct? It is having the diameter of 52 mm, correct? Right. So this is 52 mm. I have this particular cylinder inside it, or having dia 50 mm basically, right? 50 mm is the dia, like this. Cool. So 50 mm is the dia of this cylinder, and also you have been told that it is of 0.1 meter height, and also you have been told that here you have oil of dynamic viscosity 1.9 Newton second per meter square. So please everybody try and give your best, get me the right answer. So if I can get shear stress here, so let's find out shear stress. The shear stress can be found out with the help of Newton's law of viscosity, which represents that shear stress is equals to mu du by dy, or you can say v by h, the linearization, right? Dynamic viscosity is given as 1.9, velocity I don't know, I'll be taking v, and h is the thickness, and the thickness of the layer of the oil is how much, guys? Can you please tell me? It is 1 mm, so I'll be converting it into meter. That's it. So the shear stress here will be 1.9 into 10 raised to the power 3 V, right, Newton per mm square. Okay, 10 की power 3 V Newton per mm square. Cool hai? Full power set, right? Okay, I have converted it here, right? So meter square. Okay guys, so now the next thing is I am going to get the value of force. What is the force, guys? Force is tau into area, right? So tau into area means, what is tau? It is 1.9 into 10 की power 3 V. This is the tau. What is the area? Area will be the circular area, guys. The circular area will be what? Pi d into L. So pi d means 3.142 into d is how much? 50, and that is in mm. I'll be converting it in meter. Now it is in meter. Into what is the length of the tank? The length of the tank is 0.1, right? So from here the value of force should be coming as 29.849 Newton. Right, and this V also will come here, Newton. Now guys, this force will be equal to the weight of the cylinder. What is the weight of cylinder? It is 16 Newton. So 16 is equals to 29.849 V, and from here the value of V should be 0.536 meter per second. How many of you got the same answer and how many of you have doubt? Please let me know in the comment box with full power. And hit the like button, guys, if you are enjoying the session, and also share the video with your any one friend, and also subscribe the channel if you are new. I'll be showing you the next question, but before that, please tell me if you have got the same answer, and if you have a doubt, kindly please tell me. Good morning, good afternoon, Vinod, and good evening, Varsha. So let's begin the next question, right? I have lots and lots of questions, so that is why I have to go a little bit faster, right? But the whole point of this session is to give you more number of questions and wasting your less number of time. Cool, eh? This is what you want, I think, right? Next question. Okay. As shown in the figure, a cubical block of 30 centimeter side of 30 kg and of 30 kg weight is allowed to slide down along a plane inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal, on which there is a film of oil having viscosity this much. The film thickness is 0.025 mm. The terminal velocity of the block is, very good Madhvi, very good Abdul. Guys, full power ke saath, let me know the answer of this particular question. What should be the answer? Everyone, full power response. Everybody, full power response. What should be the answer to this question? So we have a block, it is sliding. You have 1 minute to start the approach, and your time starts now. You have 1 minute to start this question, and your time starts now. 10 seconds already gone actually. At least see what is the approach that you have to follow here. Then I'll begin my solution and then tell you what to do in this particular question, right? Come on, answer please, everybody. Answer please, everybody. So basically I want the velocity with which this block is coming down, right? Okay. Let me begin the solution. So basically guys, what we can say is I want velocity, and I know that tau is what it is, mu into v by h. I want this velocity here, right? I want this velocity here, right? Right. So for that, firstly I need to get the value of tau, right? And how to get the value of tau? Tau can be determined with the help of force upon area. So if I can get the force and if I have the area, I can get the shear stress. So let's get the value of force first here. So force will be what, guys? The force will be, you will have the components here, right? Obviously the component will come up here, right? One will be here and second will be here. So this weight component will be how much? It will be W sine theta, right? And how much is the theta value? The theta value is 30 degree. So W sine 30 degree will come here. W sine 30 degree will come here. Cool, cool. So what is the value here? W is how much? Kg, 30 kg is given, right? So mass is given into 9.81. Now it is weight, and sine 30 is 1 by 2, that is 0.5. So the force which I am getting is 147.15 Newton. Force we have got. Now the shear stress will be force upon area. So what will be the area, guys? The area will be 0.3. Where is the cubical? Okay, we have a cubical block, right? Cubical block. So the area will be what? 0.3 into 0.3 in meter if I talk about, right? If I talk about in meters, then it will be 0.3 whole square. So 0.3 square, and it is 147.15. So from here, the value of tau that we should get is 1635 Newton per meter square. Now put this value 1635 in the same equation which I have told you earlier. Tau is mu v by h, right? So tau value is 1635, and mu, is it given to us? Yes, it is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 into velocity I want. What is the h? H is the thickness. Thickness is how much? 0.025 mm. 0.025 mm. Let's convert it in meter. So I have to convert it in meter, 10 to the power minus 3, right? It will be cancelled out, cancelled out. From here, the velocity which you should get is 20.44 meter per second. Very good Madhvi, very good Varsha, very good Hakim ji, very good Vinod, Azhar, Venkat, and everyone else, Sonu and Abhay. Right answer. C is the right answer. Amazing. Set hai. So everyone have got how to solve this type of question. Now if this type of question will come, will you be able to solve it? Please send me a heart sign if you can solve it now. Very good Rahul, Devendra. If this type of question will come, now will you be able to solve it? You will be. Definitely you will be able to solve it. Next question. So the next question is this. Come on guys, answer. Your time starts now. You have exactly 30 seconds to see what is the approach that you can follow here. Let's take 1 minute. Your time starts now. In an experiment, the tip of a glass tube with an internal diameter of 2 mm is immersed to a depth of 1.5 cm in a liquid of specific gravity 0.85. Air is forced into the tube to form a spherical bubble just at the lower end of the tube. If the air pressure in the bubble is 200 Newton per meter square, then the surface tension of the liquid will be how much? Guys, please respond with full power. You can do it, trust me. Just give your best. Just give your best and you will be able to solve it. Basically, you are being told that the pressure inside the bubble is 200 Newton per meter square, right? And you have to find out surface tension. Also, what they have told is, they have told you that the immersed to a depth is also given to you as 1.5 centimeter. So please solve this question, everybody. Good evening, Narendrajit. How are you? Everybody kindly share the video with your friends who will be needing this fluid mechanics question, because tomorrow we'll be discussing highway engineering and this session will last for 2.5 hours. So obviously you will be getting lots and lots of questions today. Everyone, please answer this question, full power. So what you have is internal dia is given to you and so many things are given actually. So full power, please let me know what should be the answer. Come on. If the air pressure in the bubble is also given. Answer please, answer please, answer please. So the pressure inside the tube, inside the bubble is given as 200 Newton per meter square. But I don't have the pressure outside the bubble, right? So if I can find out that, then I know that delta P is equal to 2 sigma by R, right? In case of a bubble, I know it will be 2 sigma by R. Cool. So let's try to find out how to get the P outward, like P in the outside, right? So pressure outside the bubble will be how much? Rho G H. So density, do I have the density here? Density will be 1000. How much will be the density, guys? How much will be the density, guys? Please respond, everybody. How much will be the density here? Quickly tell me. Density will be 0.85 into 1000. This is the density. G is 9.81 and height is given as 1.5 centimeter. So 0.015 meter. So this will give you the pressure outside and that is equals to 125.1 Newton per meter square. P naught you have, Pi you have. So let's find out the variation. This will be 200 minus 125.1 is equals to 2 sigma I want, and radius is how much? 2 mm, right? It is 2 mm. So I want, it is dia 2 mm. So radius will be 1 mm. I want in meter. So 10 to the power minus 3. So from here the answer should be, the sigma should be 0.037 Newton per meter, which is option C. So Madhvi, very good. Varsha, very good. Guys, is there anyone who have doubt in this question? Kindly please let me know. Otherwise, we'll move forward. Set a new question. Perfect. Let's move to the next question now. The next question will be coming on your screen in just 2 seconds. Okay, try this question. You have exactly 30 seconds to try and your time starts now. I'm not saying you have to solve it. I'm saying you have to try it first, right? So try means you have to make an approach. So a clean tube of internal diameter 3 mm is immersed in a liquid, right, with a coefficient of surface tension of 0.48 Newton per meter. The angle of contact liquid with the glass has been assumed to be 130 degree. The density of liquid is 13600 kg per meter cube. What would be the level of the liquid in the tube relative to the free surface of the liquid outside the tube? So basically you have to get the value of height of the liquid, or you can say capillary. Capillary you have to find out, either rise or fall according to the question you have to find out. So it is very simple. Again I'll be telling you that H is equals to 4 sigma cos theta by rho GD, right? Right. So guys, here sigma is given to us, theta value is given to us as 130 degree and sine 40 degree is also given to us. So that is not for our use, because this you can find out with the calculator also, so no problem. Why the 40 degree is given, that also I will tell you, there is no problem. So they are basically giving it because cos 130 degree can be written as cos 90 plus 40 degree, right? So it will be minus sine 40 degree. That is why they have given you the value of this. Otherwise you can directly find out with the calculator also. So H value will be minus 4 into sigma is how much? 0.48. Cos theta is how much? 0.643. Minus is coming because of cos 130. Cos is in which quadrant? It is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cos will be negative. Divide by rho is given as how much? It is 13600 and G is 9.81 and dia of the tube is given as how much? 3 mm. So 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. From here the height of capillary should coming as 3.08 mm, that too minus. So basically fall is happening, and how much is the fall? Fall is of minus 3.08. Everybody, very good job, amazing, great, correct answer, right? So let's move to the next question now, because this one was very easy. Next question will appear on your screen in just 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kindly please answer this question, everybody, with full power. Again, this question is here just to clear the concept of absolute and your gauge pressure and your vacuum pressure. Okay. So they are saying a vacuum gauge connected to a chamber reads 140 kilopascal at a location where the atmospheric pressure is 100 kilopascal. The absolute pressure in the chamber will be, okay, so you have to tell me the answer, everybody, full power. What will be the absolute pressure in the chamber? What will be the absolute pressure in the chamber? Answer please. Answer please. Answer please. If you don't know, let me tell you guys, if this is the pressure, then this is the absolute zero line, this is the atmospheric pressure. So the pressure above the atmospheric pressure, right? So this amount, the amount by which your pressure is more than atmospheric pressure is known as gauge pressure, and the amount by which your pressure is less than the atmospheric pressure is vacuum pressure, right? So now you have to tell me the absolute pressure for this. Vacuum is given to us, vacuum gauge connected to a chamber reads itna 140 kilopascal at a location where atmospheric pressure is also given to you. So please answer. Everybody please answer. Full power. It should be how much? A 140. Quickly respond. Please try this question. Please try this question, everybody. Try this question, everybody. Okay, there is this error. It is only 40 kilopascal. Now give the answer. Now give the answer. That was a typing mistake. Everybody, now give the answer. That was a typing mistake. Now give the answer, everybody. Not at all tough question now. It has become very easy now, right? So the vacuum gauge pressure you have been given and the atmospheric pressure is given. The absolute pressure you have to find out. Come on, everyone, please find out this question. So as I have told you already, the P absolute is nothing. It is the atmospheric pressure plus gauge pressure, correct? Plus gauge pressure, right? Also you can say ki absolute pressure is atmospheric minus P vacuum, right? P vacuum, right? So absolute pressure will be how much? The atmospheric pressure is given as 100 kilopascal. It is given as 100 kilopascal and you have to subtract it 40 kilopascal and this will give you 60 kilopascal. That is B is the right answer. Everybody, good job. Next question. And there is no error in this. Very beautiful question. Take your time. You have exactly 1 minute to see what approach you have to follow in this question to get the answer. Full power. You have time. Please give your best and see what you can do here. Everyone, please. And also it is my kind request, whatever answer you want to give, just press it or just write it in the comment box only single time. If you want to say B, just say B. Don't say B, because the system will not show your answer to me, right? It will automatically block your comment. So I don't want your comment to be blocked. Please write only B, A, C, D, whatever you want to tell me, right? Right? Right. -40 आएगा. -40 कैसे आ जाएगा? -40 कैसे आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर बोल रहा है, वैक्यूम बोल दिया है 40 किलो पास्कल है, तो माइनस कैसे आएगा? बेसिकली अपनी ये बात हुई है यहाँ पे, ये एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर बोल दिया है 100 किलो पास्कल है और ये आपको वो बोल दिया है 40 किलो पास्कल है आपका वैक्यूम प्रेशर. तो ये कितना बचा? 60 तो बचा और ये माइनस क्यों आएगा? चलिए टाइम खत्म हो चुका है आपका इस वाले क्वेश्चन को ट्राई करने के लिए, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. जैसे कि हमको पता है कि आपका गामा जो हो जाता है दैट इज dp/dh बेसिकली, राइट. तो इसमें आप ध्यान रखिएगा कि यहाँ से हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं dp इज नथिंग, इट इज इक्वल्स टू गामा dh, राइट, विच नथिंग बट rho gh ओनली बिकॉज द हाइट इज वेरिंग. the height is varying, right? So that is why I'm taking dH. Now I'm integrating both sides, integrating this pressure from 0 to P and also gamma and dH also I'm differentiating, dH I'm integrating, again and again I'm saying differentiating, and gamma I'm integrating from where, this term I'm integrating from 0 to 15 because it is depth of 15 meter. Correct. Now put the expression and let's see what is the answer. Okay, अगर 140 होता, 140 नहीं था ना, लेकिन चलिए अब यहाँ पे ये तो आ गया अपने पास P, और ये कितना आ जाएगा सर, इसको मैं वैल्यू पुट कर देता हूँ इसकी, ये है 0.2 h स्क्वायर प्लस 0.1 h प्लस 8.2 और dH इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे अपन 0 से 15 तक का, तो ये हो जाएगा कितना, P बराबर हो जाएगा इसका इंटीग्रेशन 0.2 h क्यूब बाई 3 प्लस 0.1 h स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस 8.2 h, इसमें लिमिट लगेगी 0 से 15 की, राइट। जब आप इसकी लिमिट डालते हो आपके पास यहां से जो प्रेशर का वैल्यू आता है वो आता है 359.25 किलो पास्कल, तो आपका सही जवाब हो जाएगा सर 359.25 किलो पास्कल। सही था, समझ आया सभी लोगों को? Is there anyone who have doubt in this question? Please let me know. Set है? All right, let's move to the next question now. Then if this much is set, let's move to the next question. Okay, till this point everybody please tell me if you are enjoying the session, right? Everything is going well till this time? Perfect. So let's move to the next question now. So the next question is this. Kindly please solve this question and let me know what is the answer. Your time starts now. Kindly give me the correct answer to this question. I'll just check all the values. It should be 180 centimeter here, it will be 110 centimeter here, 70 centimeter here, and 90 centimeter here. Yes, the values are perfectly correct. Now please get me the answer, everybody. Please, you have to just make the equation here, the manometric equation. I have lots of time I have told you this thing, so I don't expect that you will make a mistake. Everybody quickly please respond. Two YouTube manometer are connected in series as shown in the figure below. The difference of pressure between X and Y in terms of meter of water. Okay, this is important. Zoom figure. In terms of meter per water. Okay, meter of water, sorry. Quickly please, then I will show you the answer. Okay, now can you see? I'll also go. Now can you see the image? Fine. Please solve. This is the water only, right? Wherever you see a shaded portion, that's water only. Okay, whatever you see here, that is water only. Please solve. Everybody trying? Okay, now let me tell you the option, let me tell you the answer for this question. First of all, since I want the answer in meter of water, right, so I'll be making my equation accordingly. Okay, so pressure at this point will be how much? That will be Px, by gamma, right? It is in meter of water only now. Okay, plus why plus? Because I am going downwards. How much? 180 centimeter, so basically 1.8 meter, so 1.8 meter, right? And why I am not writing rho g? Because I want the answer in meter of water, that is why I am not writing rho g here, right? Okay, now from here I am going above to this point for how much? 110 centimeter, but with the mercury, so it will be how much? Firstly negative, because I am going upward, so negative 1.1 meter into 13.6, that is the specific gravity of mercury. Now from here I am again coming down, how much? 70 centimeter, that too in water, so down means plus and 70 centimeter means 0.7. I am not writing rho g because getting the answer directly in meter of water. Okay, now from here again I am going upward, how much? 90 centimeter, so minus, because going upward, 0.9 into, and it is again mercury, so 13.6, right? Now from here to here I have to go So it will be how much? Minus, how much is the depth? It is 1.5 minus 0.9 is the depth, and it will be equals to Py by gamma. So let's see what is the answer that we are getting from here. Px minus Py by gamma should be coming as 25.3 meter of water. How many of you got the same answer and how many of you have doubt in this? C is the right answer. Correct? Everybody set? Any doubt? Anybody? Please ask if you have any doubt in this question. Clear? Clear? All right, very good, very good, very good, very good. Let's move to the next question now. So the next question is of inverted tube. Please try this question, and I don't think so I have to zoom this image. If in case you need me to zoom it, kindly please let me know. You have 1 minute to answer this, and the question says an inverted U-tube manometer is used to measure the pressure difference between two pipe A and B as shown in the figure. Pipe A is carrying oil, specific gravity 0.8, and pipe B is carrying water. The densities of air and water is given to us, and the pressure difference between A and B is being asked. Also, please remember that G we have to take as 10 meter per second square, not 9.81 meter per second square. Please try this question. Beautiful question, easy question as well. So try this question, everyone, and let's see what is the answer that you are getting. Simply do the same thing. The pressure in the left limb is equal to pressure in the right limb, right? Pressure in the left limb into pressure into right limb. Pressure in the left limb equals to pressure in the right limb, right? First of all, you can see what will be the datum here. So you have to see that interface, as I have already told you. Check for the interface. Interface is here and interface is here. If you have inverted tube, so take the interface which is at the highest point. So this here. So above this you don't have to consider anything, just don't consider it, no point of considering it. I have already told you these rules in my theory classes, so now I don't think I have to repeat it again, right? So now pressure in the left limb is equal to pressure in the right limb. Pressure in the left limb is equal to the pressure in the right limb. So first of all, what is the pressure in the left limb? It is PA at this point, right? And we are going above, so it will be minus, and from here to here I have to go how much? 200 mm above. So 200 mm means 0.2. So rho GH, what is the density of the oil? 0.8 into 1000, that is 100. G is 9.81. And what is the height that we have to follow? The height will be 0.2, right? Okay, from here to here is air. From here to here we have air. So minus how much? 0.08. And what is the density of the air? Is it given? Yes, it is given as 1.16 into and 9.81, right guys? So sorry, 10 you have to take. I'm making the same mistake which I was telling you, don't make that one, okay? Not to make. This is the 10 you have to consider. Okay, now this is the pressure in the left limb. Now let's get the value of pressure in the right limb. Right limb pressure will be, this is PA going above. From here you have to go above how much? The complete is water only, okay? So you don't have to be worried about here. So pressure in the right limb will be PB minus rho of water, that is 1000 into G, that is 9.81 into height. Height is how much? 100 mm, 200 mm is 300 mm, 380 mm, that is 0.38 value, right? That is 0.38, that is 0.38. So everybody quickly please tell me what should be the answer. What you need is PA minus PB. What you need is PA minus PB, that too in kilopascal. That too in kilopascal. So what is PA minus PB? The PA minus PB I am getting is minus 2199.07 kilopascal, right? And it is nothing but it is Pascal actually, and if I want to convert it in kilopascal, that will become minus 2.199 kilopascal. Are you getting the same answer everybody, or you are getting something else? What happened? Yes, G I have converted as 10 only. How much you are getting? Please tell me guys. I'll also see if I have made any mistake. Okay, 800.2 minus 1.16 0.08 into 10, right? This is correct, is equals to PB. It should be PB here. PB minus 1000 into 10 into 0.3. 2.199 is the right answer. So you will be writing here as minus Please, whenever, this is the mistake that most of students are making, whenever you get answer in minus, you have to write minus only in the NAT. This is NAT question, right? So you have to consider minus there. Okay, right? A में हाइट 0.28 होगा, नहीं यार 0.28 नहीं होगा, यहां तक देखो ऑयल है, यहां तक ऑयल है अपने पास, राइट? मैं यहां पे हटा देता हूं अगर आपको ये नहीं दिख रहा है, यहां तक ऑयल है अपने पास, तो ऑयल की हाइट कितनी है यहां से? ऑयल तो 0.2 ही तो है ना, राइट? और यहां से यहां तक हवा है, तो यहां से यहां तक जो हवा है वो 0.08 लेनी है अपने को, उसका डेप्थ कितना है? 0.08, उसकी डेंसिटी लेंगे, उसके लिए अपन पूरा निकालेंगे, समझे? 0.28 हाइट नहीं होगा, क्लियर? सो यहां से आपका आंसर आ जाता है 2.199 किलो पास्कल. Let's move to the next question. Let's move to the next question, everybody. So the next question is this. Please solve this question. Again, it is a good question. So a tank is 2 meter deep with cross-sectional length of 5.5 at top of 3.5 meter at bottom. The four sides are plain and each has same trapezoidal shape. The tank is completely full of water. The resultant pressure on each side is. This is a very beautiful question. And please solve this as your homework. I'm again telling you, right? Write the answer of this homework in the comment box. Again, I'm telling you, write the value of this question in the comment box. Tomorrow, before beginning the highway engineering, first I will discuss the answer to this question and then we'll move forward. Please take the screenshot. As soon as you are done with the screenshot, please tell me in the comment box. As soon as you are done with the screenshot, please tell me in the comment box. Full power. Yes, आकर्षित चेंज कर दी है जी की वैल्यू 10. कहाँ लिख दिया? दोबारा 9.8 लिखा है क्या? यहाँ पे 10 ही लिए मैंने, वो लिख दिया था, सॉरी हटा दिया. 10 ही है, फिर लिख देता हूँ यार 10. ओके, चलो डन. कूल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Cool. Next question, please. A circular disc of diameter capital D is immersed vertically in a liquid of density rho. The topmost point of the disc just touches the liquid surface. The depth of center of pressure from the liquid surface will be how much? Please give me the answer, everybody. 0.625 D, 0.675 D, 0.715 D, or 0.875 D. Basically, you need to get the value of H bar Cp. H bar Cp, I have already told you the formula is H bar Cp is equals to Igxx sin square theta upon H bar A plus H bar. If body is vertical, then this will become 1. If body is horizontal, this will become 0, right? So the basic formula which I have to use in this question will be H bar Cp is equals to Igxx by H bar A plus H bar. So now please find out the question, find out the answer, everybody. Yeah, this question is actually easier. So this is the liquid surface and we have this disc over here. We have this disc over here, right? And this disc is having the dia D. Disc is having the diameter D, right? Now what is the Igxx value here? Let's get the values. So H bar Cp. H bar will be what? H bar will be here D by 2. So that is fine. Plus now Igxx will be how much? The circular Igxx is pi D की power 4 by 64. Correct? बिल्कुल करेक्ट. divided by the h bar will be again d by 2 and the area is how much? Pi by 4 d square. Cool, super cool. So from here the answer should be d by 2 plus d by 8, which will be giving you answer as 5 by 8 d, and 5 by 8 d is equals to 0.625 d. Everybody set है? Please tell me set है? Full power से answer. Got the answer? Amazing. Same answer आया? बहुत ही सही. Okay, बहुत ही सही. Madhvi, that is the reason why I have given this as a homework. Try it. After solving complete fluid mechanics, if you won't be able to solve this one question, then what was the purpose of this whole session, right? And don't worry, I'll be solving this question as the first question. Okay. Chaliye, let's move to the next question. Okay, a rectangular gate is to open just as the water level reaches to a height of 5 meter. All right, from the bottom of the gate as shown in the figure. ठीक है. The location of y of the pivot is how much? बता दो भाई, location of y पूछ रहे हैं आपसे. क्या आप बता सकते हैं? एवरीबडी प्लीज टेल मी द वैल्यू ऑफ y. Please tell me the value of y. The question says a rectangular gate is to open just as the water level reaches at height 5 meter from the bottom of the gate as shown in the figure. The location of y. अब y की लोकेशन वो पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, पिवट जहां से ये गेट खुलेगा. बता दो भाई. Everyone answer. Everyone answer. So the whole concept is the gate will open just when the center of pressure will coincide, just when the center of pressure will coincide the pivot point, right? So just use this information, just use this information and get me the answer. Come on. Come on. Answer everybody. Answer everybody. The location of y they are asking you, right? The location of y they are asking you. Try this question. I have already told you the value, the formula for h bar cp. In case you are not remembering the formula, h bar cp will be h bar plus igxx, because all we are talking is vertical, a into h bar. So now try. कृतिका आंसर तो आपका ठीक है. आई होप आपने तुक्का ना मारा हो. आंसर प्लीज एवरीबडी, बाकी लोग. So what is the h bar value here? Let's find out what is the h bar value here, everybody. The h bar value will be how much guys? h bar कितना होगा बोलो? h bar कितना होगा बोलो? h bar बोलो कितना होगा? Depth of cg of the plate from the water surface. So depth of cg of the plate guys मतलब क्या? आप देख लो 2 meter, right? So it will be here at 1 meter height. So that will be 5 minus 1. So this will be 4 meter. Very easy. Directly I can get the value of h bar, right? Directly I can get the value of h bar, 4 meter. Now what is the value of igxx? Bd cube by 12, right? Bd cube by 12. So b is not given. You can take it as unity. So igxx will be bd cube by 12. B is 1. D is how much? 2 by divided by 12. It will be 0.67 meter ki power 4, right? Now the thing is, what will be the value of h bar cp? The h bar value should be, how much guys? 4 plus 0.67 divided by the area is 2 into 1 into what is the value of h bar? H bar is here as 4 meter. So the h bar cp is 4.084 meter. So now I know that this point should be exactly at 4.084 meter from the free water surface, right? From the free water surface, right? I want the value of y, this y. So this will be 5 minus 4.084, and that would be how much? 0.916 meter, which is option A. How was the question? Fine. Set है. Correct answer आ गया सबका. The catch was the gate will open just when the center of pressure will coincide with the location of the pivot. That's it, right? That's it. Then what you have done is you have find out the value of h bar cp, and finally 5 minus करके आंसर आ गया. Next question. Okay, a sliding gate 5 meter wide and 2 meter high lies in a vertical plane and has a coefficient of friction of 0.2 between itself and guides, right? Sorry, Kritika. If height of gate is 2 meter, let me see. Hanji, how can pivot be above that? 2 meter के ऊपर. Above कहाँ है? इधर है ना? 0.96 depth from below. Here the pivot is here, right? So all value after 2 are eliminated only. Oh, that is also a correct approach. Okay, now I know how you got the answer. Correct. Yeah, obviously because the pivot will be somewhere in between 0 to 2 value, right? This is what she is saying. Super smart, Kritika. So basically from 0 to 2 only it can lie. So how you can say the pivot will be here, 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 or somewhere here, right? That is correct. So please solve this question now. The weight of gate is 19.6 kilonewton and its upper edge is at a depth of 10 meter from water surface. The vertical force required to raise the gate is how much? Answer, everybody. A sliding gate 5 meter wide and 2 meter high lies in a vertical plane and has a coefficient of friction 0.2 between its upper edge is at between guides and itself. The weight of gate is 19.6 kilonewton and its upper edge is at a depth of 10 meter from water surface. The vertical force required to raise the gate is how much kilonewton? How much kilonewton do we have? Answer. You have exactly 1 minute and your time starts now. See what approach you can follow here. See what approach you can follow here. I'll just go so that you can see what is there behind me. It is 2 meter, guys. Behind me we have 2 meter. Right, behind me it is 2 meter. Okay, I'm coming back. So please get me the answer. So if I try to show you, सर ग्रेडअप के न्यू चैनल का नाम क्या है? मैकेनिक्स के लिए. यार मैकेनिक्स के लिए का तो मुझे पता नहीं, अभी ओपन हुआ है तो मुझे नाम नहीं पता दोस्त. आई एम सॉरी यार. सिविल का तो है सिविल चैंपियन और EC का है EC&EE इम्पल्स, बट मैकेनिकल का अगर है तो उसका मेरे को नाम अभी तो नहीं पता दोस्त. चलिए, सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे एक बार फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम देख लेते हैं हम लोग इस गेट का. तो गेट का जो फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम दिखेगा वो कुछ इस तरह से हम लोगों को दिखेगा. राइट. अब इसमें फोर्सेस सारे एनालिसिस कर लेते हैं. अपना जो वर्टिकल फोर्स लगने का है वो लगने का है यहाँ पे ऊपर की तरफ. राइट. बॉडी जो वेट का जो इसका वेट है mg वो लग रहा है नीचे की तरफ. राइट. और जो उसको यहाँ से फोर्स लगने वाला है लिक्विड की वजह से, वाटर की वजह से, वो लगेगा यहाँ से. राइट. और अब देख लो यहाँ पे जो ये लगेगा फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स लगेगा वो कितना लगेगा? म्यू इंटू एन. एन कितना है अपना? ये जो फोर्स है, ठीक है, ये नॉर्मल रिएक्शन इसकी. तो चलिए निकालते हैं सारी की सारी वैल्यूज. यहाँ पे सबसे पहले फोर्स की वैल्यू निकाल लेता हूं मैं सबसे पहले. तो क्यों निकाल लेता हूं फोर्स की वैल्यू? क्योंकि मुझे पता है वर्टिकल कितना है. वर्टिकल है mg, ये वाला mg, राइट, और प्लस ये म्यू एन. वर्टिकल फोर्स इज mg प्लस म्यू एन. तो n की वैल्यू पहले निकालनी पड़ेगी ना. तो F इज कितना? F इज अपना हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स. कितना होता है? रो जी एच बार ए. रो जी एच बार ए. रो कितना है अपना? वाटर है ना ये, तो 1000 और जी हो गया 9.81. एच बार देखो गेट की हाइट कितनी बोली है? 2 मीटर बोली है. कितनी बोली है? राइट. हाँ, तो 2 मीटर बोली है तो ये हो गया 1 मीटर. यहां तक अपना ये हो गया CG और यहां से 1 मीटर ये हो गया और 10 मीटर और ऊपर जाना है तो 11 मीटर हो गया टोटल अपना. 11 मीटर हो गया एच बार. एरिया कितना हो जाएगा दोस्त? 2 इंटू 5 लिखा है यहाँ पे. वाइड इतना है और हाई इतना है. तो यहां से जो F का वैल्यू आएगा अपने पास आ जाएगा 1079.1 किलो न्यूटन. ये आ गया अपने पास N का वैल्यू. राइट. तो वर्टिकल फोर्स शुड बी इक्वल टू mg प्लस म्यू एन. mg यहां पे देख लीजिए दिया गया है. गेट का वेट, हाँ, mg अपने को 19.6 दिया गया है. राइट. तो 19.6 वैल्यू दिया गया है mg का, प्लस इसके बाद अपना म्यू दिया गया है 0.2, दैट इज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन, और n हमने अभी निकाल लिया है 1079.1. यहां से जो वर्टिकल फोर्स की वैल्यू आती है दोस्त दैट इज 235.42 किलो न्यूटन. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डाउट? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गेटिंग द सेम आंसर? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव डाउट इन दिस? प्लीज लेट मी नो. मैकेनिज्म समझ आया क्या किया? बेसिकली यहां पे आसानी सवाल था, बस अप्रोच इसकी बनानी थी आपको. अगर अप्रोच समझ आ जाती तो फिर इसमें कैलकुलेशन और वो सब आपको पता है. आप जानते हो वर्टिकल फोर्स कैसे निकाल सकते हैं, हॉरिजॉन्टल फोर्स कैसे निकाल सकते हैं. राइट. कोई इसमें बड़ी बात नहीं है. बट यहां पे अप्रोच क्या लगेगी, कैसे सॉल्व करना था, अगर वो पता होता तो काम बन जाता. सेट है क्या? एनी डाउट? एनीबॉडी? क्लियर? क्लियर? आ गया आंसर? बताइए. अतुल, अनुषा, अमन, कृतिका, कृष्णकांत, कार्तिक, विघ्नेश ट्राइड 196 नहीं 196 नहीं यार. प्लीज टेल मी गाइस. सेट है? ऑलराइट. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देन. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्लियर? परफेक्ट. Next question is this. Okay, so the question says a wooden block of rectangular section 1.25 meter wide, 2 meter deep and 4 meter long floats horizontally in sea. Cool. How mg is 19.6? Sir, it is given in the question here. The weight of gate is given 19.6. Okay, a wooden block of rectangular section 1.25 meter wide, 2 meter deep and 4 meter long floats horizontally in sea. Okay, if specific gravity of wood is 0.64 and the water specific gravity specific weight is 1025 kg force per meter cube, the volume of liquid displaced and the position of center of buoyancy above the base will be respectively how much? Answer. The scenario is something like this. We have this block whose length is given as how much? 4 meter, right? This is 4 meter, right? Also we have the depth as 2 meter, right? Also we have the width here. We have the width here of how much? 1.25 meter. 1.25 meter. Chalo, answer batao. Say let's assume that this particular block is floating and the block below the water is h. Okay, the height below the water is h of this particular block. Now let's find out the value. So same thing we have to use here is the weight of the block should be equal to the buoyant force here. So weight of the block is what? It is rho Vg. Rho of block into volume of block into G is equals to the volume of water which is displaced, right? So rho into rho of water into volume of water displaced into G, right? So G to G you can cancel out, right? So density of block, is it given to us? Yes, it is given to us as how much? 0.64 into 1000, correct? Correct. Into volume of block is how much, guys? It is 1.25 into 2 into 4 meter, correct? Correct. G we have cancelled out. Density of water, is it given to us? Yes, it is given to us as 1025, right? And this is 4 into 1.25 and height is h. From here the value of h we can get. What is the value of h from here, guys? B. What B? This is the buoyant force and this is the weight of the block. Weight of the block and that's the buoyant force. What else you are asking, Kritika? You are asking something else or this is the thing? Acha, option you are telling me. Yeah, that's correct. B is the right answer. From here the value of h that we should get is 1.248 meter, right? And if this h is 1.24, then Cg will be somewhere here, buoyancy will be somewhere here, that is half of it. So center of buoyancy will be at 0.624 meter, right? And the volume will be how much? 1.24 into 4 into 1.25, that will be 6.24 meter cube. Option B is correct. Great. Good. Madhvi, Atul and Kritika. Correct. Kritika, now you can avoid using question mark after your options. You have got enough confidence now. I mean, you are getting right answers, so no need. Just be confident now. Okay. Next question. Alright, now please solve this one. The question is, a spherical object of 1.5 meter diameter is completely immersed in a water reservoir and chained to the bottom of the reservoir. If the chain has a tension of 5.3 kilonewton, then the weight of the object in air will be how much? So you have to tell the weight of the object in air. Basically, you have to tell the weight of the object. That's it. Come on, answer everybody. You have 30 seconds to solve this question. 30 seconds as in just begin the calculation and let's see if you can reach out to the correct approach. Then I'll tell you the answer. A spherical object of 1.5 meter diameter is completely immersed in a water reservoir and chained to the bottom of the reservoir. If the chain has a tension of 5.3 kilonewton, then the weight of the object in the air will be how much? 6.4 आ रहा है सी बी, 6.4 आ रहा है सी बी, 0.624 आना चाहिए ना। 6.4 तो वैसे भी नहीं आ सकता यार, 6.4 कैसे आ जाएगा जब बॉडी की हाइट ही 2 मीटर है, तो 6.4 सी बी कैसे आ सकता है, खुद सोचो ना। चलिए answer. So basically the thing is, if this is the bottom of the reservoir and this particular spherical object is tied here with a chain, and this chain here is having a tension also, and the tension in the chain is how much is it given to us? Yes, 5.30 kilonewton, right? So let's do the force analysis here. So if we see the force analysis, then it will have a buoyant force in the downward direction, sorry, in the upward direction, and downward we have the weight of the body, right? That W which I want, and this is the buoyant force. Cool. So if I try to make the equation, it will be what? It will be T plus W equals to buoyant force. Correct? Correct. So basically W I want, and that will be FB minus T. Correct? So the buoyant force will be how much? It will be, guys, volume, right? Volume density, right? Please find out. Neglect the weight of air. Neglect the weight of air. बहुत बढ़िया. चलिए answer everybody. All right, so rho GV, right? So I'm not writing rho, I'm direct, because I want answer in kilonewton, right? And this is also in kilonewton. So I'm not writing rho, that 1000 I'm just not writing, it is already then becoming in kilonewton. So G into V, G is 9.81, and the volume of this sphere will be how much? That will be 4/3 pi r cube. Pi r is how much? 1.5 ka half, that is 0.75 cube, right? This is the value of FB minus tension. Tension is how much? It is 5.30. So from here the answer that I am getting is 12.04 kilonewton. How many of you are getting the same answer, and how many of you have doubt? 12.04 kilonewton is the answer. How many of you are getting the same answer, and how many of you have doubt? Everybody please respond. Set hai? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Please ask. Yeah, 12.036 or 12.04 or 12.026, whatever you are getting, it is correct. It doesn't matter, okay? After one digit or two digit, doesn't matter. Minus 22.01. Sir, गलत किया कुछ आपने, please check कीजिए. So first of all, now come back to the chat, comment, and please let me know, guys, if you are enjoying this session, because we are, yes, almost 1 hour is completed. So did you learn something new, or are you getting a proper practice with these particular mock gate test or not? Quickly please just send me a heart sign and let me know what is the case. And also please hit the like button. हाँ जी, doubt पूछिए sir, राहुल जी. Clear? Okay. The mistake was people were taking diameter. Don't take diameter, you have to take the radius here, pi r cube. It will be pi r cube, right? Okay, before question, how 6.24? Sir, 6.24 will come because I have got the height as how much? 1.24, correct? So this height immersed is how much? 1.24, and I know the length, I know the width. So if I know the height, length and width, how much I will be getting? Let me check. So it is coming as 6.24, correct? Thank you so much, Deepak. Set hai? Okay, let's move to the next question now. If this much is set, let's move to the next question now. So next question will be coming on your screen in just a few seconds. Let me know the answer which you are getting for this particular question. Just give me a second. Okay, so this is the next question. Let me know your answer. Okay, this is a very good question. Give your best and try. A homogeneous circular cylinder of length h, radius r, and specific gravity S floats in water, it is noted that R is equals to 2 by 3 H. Alright, okay. Under which one of the following condition will the flotation be unstable? बता दीजिए किस कंडीशन में हमारा बॉडी जो है वो अनस्टेबल हो जाएगा. ये बहुत ही बढ़िया सवाल है एंड दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन गेट ऑल्सो. प्लीज, मैंने नहीं देखा कि वेट निकालना है. ओके ओके, प्लीज 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 आंसर एवरीबॉडी. ट्राई एंड टेल मी व्हाट विल बी द अप्रोच दैट यू आर गोइंग टू फॉलो हियर. Okay, I have got very less number of hearts, so I can see that not much people are enjoying. Sorry for that. Answer please. A homogeneous circular cylinder of length h, radius r and specific gravity s floats in water. It is noted that r is equals to 2 by 3 h. Under which one of the following condition will the flotation be unstable? Try. Okay, now let me come to the rescue here. So guys, what I know is and what we know is what is the condition in case of, first of all please tell me what should be the metacentric height if I want an unstable equilibrium. In case of unstable equilibrium, what should be the metacentric height? Confused for C and D. Okay. Okay, Aman, good. So first of all, let me draw the diagram for you all. So if this is the cylinder for which we are trying to get the values, the meta center should be no कृतिका, वो सबमर्ज्ड का केस होता है. आपके फ्लोटिंग के केस में मेटा सेंटर जो है और स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी जो है वो ध्यान रखते हैं स्टेबिलिटी का. ऑल राइट गाइज, सो इफ सपोज दे आर सेइंग द हाइट इज h, cylindrical height is h, right? And let's suppose the depth which is under the water is L, right? Is L. Okay, so if h is the height, so obviously the CG will be at h by 2, correct? The CG will be at h by 2 if this is the G, and suppose if B is here, I'm just assuming all these things, then I can say it will be at L by 2. It will be at L by 2. It is all, everything is assumption here. Now understand, I know when the metacentric height, you have just told me that when the metacentric height will be negative, I will be getting the unstable equilibrium. Very good. How to get the value of GM? It will be I divided by displaced volume minus BG. Should be less than 0, right? What is the value of I? First of all, what is the value of I here? Tell me. What will be the value of I here? What is the value of I here? Tell me. I का वैल्यू क्या लेना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे? This is because one of the question also, that which I you have to consider. Which I you have to consider. This is also a question. No, minimum is okay. What should be the magnitude? What should be the magnitude? That is fine. What you are saying, that is fine. Okay, I have already told you guys this moment of inertia you have to take here, right? So the moment of inertia in terms of radius I'm writing here. So it will be pi r raised to the power 4 by 4. Okay, in terms of radius, this is the thing. Divide by volume of water displaced will be how much? Pi r square into L. Pi r square into L. I'll go so that you can have clear picture. Pi r square into L, right? minus what will be the BG? BG is this. BG is this, the distance between G and B. The distance between G and B. This is BG. How much that will be, guys? That will be your h by 2 minus L by 2, or you can say h minus L by 2, right? And it should be less than 0. Correct? Correct. So from here, if I just simplify all these things, I will be getting r square by 4L minus 1 by 2 h minus L, which should be less than 0, or r square by 2L minus h plus L should be less than 0. This is the condition which I am getting. Now, with the help of force analysis, can I say that the buoyant force should be equal to the self weight of the body, that is mBg. Correct. Let's put that thing only here. So what is the weight of the body, guys? Rho of the body, V of the body, and G, it's G. Okay, so rho of the body, I don't know what is density of this body, and volume of the body, do I know? Yes, I know. It is pi square h is the volume of the body, right? And G, eventually it will be cancelled out. I'm not writing it. And the volume of water here, the displaced volume of water is how much? First of all, rho of water, and the volume of this water which is being displaced is how much? Pi r square L. Correct? Till this point, anybody have doubt in this thing? Till this point, anybody have doubt? Pi to pi cancelling out, r square to r square cancelling out, right? What I am getting here is density of body by density of water into h is equals to L. What is density of this block, or you can say body, divided by density of water? It is specific gravity only. Specific gravity is represented by S in this question, right? It is represented by S in this question. So this is the condition which I am getting. SH is equal to L. Now putting this value SH is equals to L in this question, in this equation, right? So when I do this, the equation becomes r square over 4sh minus h plus sh should be less than 0. Alright, should be less than 0. Okay, now in the question they have mentioned that r is equal to 2 by 3 h. So r square will be how much? 4 by 9 h square, right? So 4 by 9 h square over 4sh minus h plus sh should be less than 0. From here, the equation which I'll be having is, I'll write here, this will be becoming 2h by 9s, 2h by 9s plus minus h plus sh should be less than 0, and this will become 2h minus 9 sh plus 9 square h less than 0. This will become quadratic equation 9s square minus 9s plus 2 less than 0. The root will be s minus 0.33 and s minus 0.66 should be less than 0. So s should be 0.33, it should be greater than 0.33 and lesser than 0.66. This is the whole question. Although it is a long question, but it is not tough question. Please look at the solution. Anywhere if you have got the doubt, please solve. Please let me know. And others, please solve this question. Now this is a very simple question actually. So please try this question, everybody. A wooden rectangular block of length L is made to float in water with its axis vertical. The center of gravity of the floating body is 0.15 liter or L, not liter, L, above the center of buoyancy. What is the specific gravity of the wooden block? What is the specific gravity of the wooden block? Answer. Let's see who will give me the first answer. सबसे पहले कौन देगा देखते हैं बॉस. जो भी सबसे पहले आंसर देगा उसका नाम लिखा जाएगा इस बॉक्स के अंदर सबके सामने. The one who will give me the right answer first, I'll write his or her name in this box. Come on, answer. Everybody. And no tukka. And no tukka. Come on. Everybody. So basically we have this body 0.65. nahi yaar. We have this body here whose length is L. देखो tough तो नहीं है. This question is not tough. I'm telling you. Right? Yes, Aman. Very good. Aman. So guys, basically this is L length block, right? Okay. And it is floating. It is floating. They are saying, suppose this much is the floating body. And its G is somewhere here and its B will be somewhere here. They are saying that this distance is given as 0.15 L. 0.15 L. This distance is given to me as 0.15 L. Correct? Correct. Yes, very good. 0.7 is the right answer, everybody. Very good. Very, very good. Okay. Yeah, 0.7. No, not 0.75. 0.7 is the right answer, not 0.75. Right. So this will be how much? This will be 0.7 L here, right? And this is 0.35. Just because of that, this is point L. And if this is much, is this much? G is here, 0.75. Okay, so this will be my and 0.5 L. Cool. Now let's see, guys. Now let's see. Everything here is clear. So now let's see how to get the value of a specific gravity. Is it tough? No, it is not. So it will be how much? 0.7 L into A, right? That is the volume displaced into density of water into G equals to, let's take the whole thing, length into area into density of the body into G. G से G cancel, L से L cancelled, A से A cancelled. What else we have? We have rho B is equals to 0.7 rho W, or you can say rho B by rho W equals to 0.7. Rho B by rho W is nothing but specific gravity, and that is equals to 0.7. Correct? Very good. Next question, everybody. Full power answer. Okay, a racing car with a partially filled fuel tank moves in a horizontal direction at a uniform acceleration equal to G. The free surface of the liquid fuel in the tank will assume a slope of, very easy question. You should take, I think, 5 seconds or 10 seconds to tick this answer. Please answer, everybody. A racing car with a partially filled fuel tank moves in a horizontal direction at a uniform acceleration equal to G. The free surface of the liquid fuel in the tank will assume a slope of dash. So this is the question from rigid body motion. So whenever you have a liquid here and you have acceleration like this, you will get a new surface, something like this, right? And they are asking you this angle. So this angle will be what? This theta is equals to, guys, this tan theta is equal to, guys, A by G. Acceleration, horizontal acceleration by अपना acceleration due to gravity. Cool है? A बोल दिया है, G के बराबर है. So tan theta is equal to G by G, or you can say tan theta is equal to 1. So theta will be equals to 45 degree, that is C. This question is good. Please try to solve this. The acceleration which imparted to the tank in the direction of its length so that bottom front end of the tank is just exposed. Dimension of closed tank is 4 into 3 into 2 with depth of oil is 1.4 meter. Answer. Very beautiful question. Very, very beautiful question. They are saying the bottom front end of the tank is just exposed. Answer, everybody. Also, please don't miss this closed tank thing. Answer, everybody, full power. The acceleration which imparted to the tank in the direction of its length so that bottom front end of the tank is just exposed. Dimension of closed tank is 4 meter into 3 meter into 2 meter deep with depth of oil as 4 meter, 1.4 meter. Answer. I will also draw the diagram, and this will be the block, or you can say the tank, right? Okay, and it has the depth as 2 meter, right? And the length is how much? It is 4 meter. That is also right. Okay, and then we have the depth as how much? 1.4 meter. Cool. 1.4 meter is the depth, right? Right. So now when the acceleration will be there, right, they are saying that this is almost exposed. So basically there, from here the surface will rise, right? This will be the surface. This will be the surface, guys. This will be the surface which we are talking here. So we have to get the value of what? Acceleration, right? Or what? Dimension is given. Yes, we want the acceleration. We want the acceleration. So this is the new free surface. This is the new free surface, and here it is the angle theta. Come on, answer everybody. No, sorry, this is the theta value. Answer everybody. Guys, since the tank is closed, can we say that there will be no spill of water? Yes. Can I say there will be no spill of water? Right? Also, can I say that the volume of air will remain same before and after? The volume of air in the tank will remain same. It will not also change. Agreed, because it is a closed tank. So let's see what was the volume of air before the acceleration. It was 2 minus 1.4 was the depth, and this was 4 and this was 3, right? Please solve everybody, full power. Now, so if this was the volume before, so now what will be the volume after? What will be the volume after? Can I say the volume after will be, if I say this distance is x here, if I say this distance is x here, so can I say the volume of air will be equals to half into how much is this? Base into height and whatever the depth we have, it is, oh sorry, whatever the width we have, 3 meter, right? So from here the value of x can I get? X will be 2.4 meter, right? X will be 2.4 meter, right? Right. So now with the help of this, can we get the value of theta also? Can we get the value of theta also? So that tan theta will be 2 by x. With the help of this, can I say tan theta will be 2 by x, basically 2 by 2.4, which will be equals to what? It will be equals to 10 by 12. So this will be guys, can I say this will be tan theta equals to horizontal acceleration into g, and it is equals to 10 by 12. So from here the answer that I should get is, let me tell you, ax is equals to 10 by 12 into g is how much? G is 9.81. so this will be 10 into 9.81 into divided by 12. So it should be 8.175 meter per second square. 8.175 meter per second square, which is C option. How many of you are getting the same answer? And how many of you have doubt? This was a very good question, and if this question will come, this type of question have never been asked. So if this question will come, you should be able to solve it now. Can you solve it now? Can you solve it now, everybody? Please talk in Hindi and English both. सर मैं क्या करूं सर, ये वाला चैनल ना इंग्लिश में ही अलाउड है इस पे पढ़ाना. हिंदी के लिए अपना ग्रेडअप सिविल चैंपियन है ना, उस पर पढ़ाते हैं अपन हिंदी में, उसमें इंग्लिश में नहीं पढ़ाते. चलो another question. An open cylindrical tank of 1 meter in diameter and 2 meter high contains water up to 1.5 meter depth. If the cylinder rotates about its axis, vertical axis, then the maximum angular velocity that can be reached, that can be achieved without spilling any water. अरे ये तो मस्त है. Without any spilling, what should be the value of omega? Basically they are asking, right? Basically they are asking you RPM. So number of that you have to tell, rotation per meter. RPM you have to tell. For that you have to first get the value of omega. Answer everybody. An open cylindrical tank 1 meter in diameter and 2 meter high something like this. 2 meter is the height of this tank, right? What else they are saying? 1.5 meter depth is the water. So let's say water is here at 1.5 meter, right? So when I will provide it some angular velocity, guys, it will be like this. It will achieve this shape. Correct? Correct. Correct. Right? Right. So this will be y by 2 and this will be also y by 2 here. Y by 2, y by 2. So first of all, get the value of y. How much will be the value of y, guys? How much will be the value of this y, guys? Tell me. Tell me with full power. Tell me with full power. ये वैल्यू की, ये y की वैल्यू क्या होगी बोलो? y will be equals to what? अभी y by 2 is equals to 0.5. सही है ना? So from here the y value should be 1 meter. Correct? Correct है? Correct है. I know that this y is equals to omega square r square by 2g, right? Theory class में बताया. This have been told in the theory classes. So with the help of this particular expression, can I get the value of omega? I can. How? Omega will be equals to 2gy by r square under root में. ठीक है? So from here the omega value should be 8.86 radian per second. सही है? सही है. Now if I have got the value of omega, can I get the value of n also? Can I get the value of n also? So the n value will be 8.86 into 60 and here it should be 2 pi. From here the value of n will be 84.6 rpm. Okay, answer. Let's move to the next question now. Now I'll be just increasing my pace. ठीक है? I have to solve lots of questions, but I have less time. So now I'll increase the pace. Please cooperate, right? An open circular cylinder 2 meter high is filled with a liquid to its top. The liquid is given a rigid body rotation about the axis of the cylinder, and the pressure at the center of the bottom is found to be 0.6 meter of the liquid, right? The ratio of the volume of the liquid spilled out of the cylinder to the original volume is what? Come on, answer. Volume of liquid spilled out. Volume of water spilled out by original volume of liquid. Answer. Answer. So basically what they are saying is this: if this is the tank, guys, so the water is filled up to this level, right? So when I'll be rotating it, what is going to happen? I will see this type of surface here, right? Right. So what I want is, I want the total volume, right? And this volume will be divided by the total volume. So this volume is how to get this volume. This will be half into area of the same cylinder of the same diameter and the same height. You will get the answer. So quickly please let me know what should be the answer here. What will be the volume of cylinder circumscribing the volume of a paraboloid of revolution? Basically it will be, guys, half bracket pi r square. What will be the value of h here? It will be, because they are saying it is 0.6 meter, right? And this will be how much? I don't need it actually. The total is 2 meters, right? So here it will be 2 minus 0.6. Cool. Divided by, what is the total volume? Pi r square, and the value of h is 2. When you solve it, you get the answer as 0.35. Set hai? Please tell me. Set hai? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Any doubt? Anyone? Clear है? आगे बढ़ेंगे. Next question. Amazing question. Let's try to solve it. The velocity field of an incompressible flow is given by V is equals to this. Alright, velocity vector we have. So now we have to find out the value of B2. And the fluid flow is incompressible. So please let me know, guys, what should be the answer. A1 and C3 is given to us. The B2 they are asking us. So the continuity equation. What is the continuity equation? It is del U by del X plus del V by del Y plus del W by del Z. Right? It should be equal to 0. Okay. So let's let's differentiate all these things. So this is U actually. So del U by del X will be how much? It will be A1, and del V by del Y will be equals to what? B2, and del W by del Z will be how much? It will be C3 equals to 0, right? A1 is 2, B2 pata nahi hai, C3 is minus 4 equals to 0. From here the B2 should be equals to 2. Set hai? Any doubt? Any doubt? Cool. Chalo, आगे. Next question. A 15 centimeter dia pipe carries a flow of 70 liter per second. All right. So basically 0.07 meter cube per second. Right. Of an oil, specific gravity of oil is given as 0.75. I'll be writing here as 0.75 at a section 12 centimeter above the datum. So the value of Z is also given as 0.12 meter. If the kinetic energy factor is given as 1.1, then the total head, basically total head they are asking, so it is not that much tough. The total head will be your pressure head plus velocity head plus your datum head. Datum we already have, velocity we have to find with the help of discharge, and the diameter is given to us, right? So also pressure head also we have to find out, right? Yes, we have to. We have this vacuum of 2 centimeter of mercury. So basically what they are saying is pressure head is equals to minus 2 centimeter of mercury, but I want the value in my meter of oil, right? Then also I will be getting this answer. So P will be equals to, first of all it will be minus 2 into how much? 13.6, that is rho GH, right? H is minus 2, and it will be divided by how much is the density? 0.75, right? For the oil, centimeter of oil. Now it is in centimeter of oil. So the pressure is minus 0.363 meter of oil. Correct? Correct. Now what will be the velocity, guys? Let's find out the velocity now. So I have this discharge, right? So velocity can be determined by discharge upon area. Discharge is 0.07, area will be pi by 4 d square, diameter is 15 centimeter. So 0.15 centimeter, 0.15 sorry meter हो जाएगा ये, it will be squared. Velocity is 3.96 meter per second. So alpha v square by 2g, that is my kinetic head, is 1.1 into 3.96 whole square by 2 into 9.81. So this will be guys as 0.879 meter, right? And this is already given. So now the datum, now the total head will be guys, you have to add this 0.12 meter plus 0.879 meter minus 0.363 meter of oil, and this should be somewhere around 0.636 meter. Any doubt, anybody? Any doubt, anybody? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. If this is clear, let's move to the next question. Okay, a liquid flows downward through a tapered vertical pipe. All right. Okay. All right. Show in a figure. अरे figure ही नहीं है इसमें तो. Incomplete question है, कोई नहीं. Let's see this one. इसमें तो नहीं चाहिए ना? No. In a smooth pipe of uniform diameter 30 centimeter, a pressure of 60 kilopascal was observed at a section 1, which was at elevation 13 meter. 13 meter, right? And another at the 15 meter. इसमें भी I think it should be 12 meter, not 13. Right? Pressure. Okay. The velocity was 1.5 meter per second. The fluid is in the pipe. The head loss between two sections is. Please get the answer. Everybody. Everybody get the answer, please. In a smooth pipe of uniform diameter 30 centimeter, a pressure is this much. Okay, you have different elevation and you have given the different value. So let's find out the value of total head at section 1. So it will be what? P1 by rho g plus V1 square by 2g plus Z1. First of all, they are saying uniform diameter pipe. So there is no point of finding out this because V1 will be equals to V2 only, right? V1 will be equals to V2. Then also let's find out, because we have all these things, no? Velocity we have directly, so let's find out this. So P1 will be what? It will be guys 60 kilopascal, right? So 60 into cube divided by rho g 9.81 into 1000 plus velocity is 1.5 ka square into 2 into 9.81 and Z1 is given as how much? It is 13 tha na? 13 plus 13. So because it is not that na, what we call it, MCQ, so any answer will come here, we can get the answer. So from here the value of H1, that is the total head at section 1, will be 19.23 meter. After this total head at H2 will be how much? P2 by rho g plus V2 square by 2g plus Z2. So P2 is how much? 30 kilopascal, that is 30 into 10 ki power 3 divided by 2 into divided by 9.81 into 1000 is the rho g value, plus the velocity is 1.5 square into 2 into 9.81, correct, and plus 1.5, that is the datum head. So the value will be 18.173 meter, right? The head loss between two sections they were asking, just subtract these two and you will get the loss in the head, and the loss will be 19.23 minus 18.173 guys, and that is equals to 1.057 meter. Now see here guys, you have completed the first chapter. Okay, you have completed the first chapter. The second chapter, first chapter was fluid properties, then we have covered the buoyancy and flotation, then we have covered the fluid manometry, right? Then we have covered this hydrostatic forces, then we have covered this fluid kinematics, only one question was there, and then we have covered fluid dynamics. So you know, half of the syllabus you are already completed, so congratulations. No, Hussein, you will obviously get the PDF. You will get the PDF in the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description below. Everybody please quickly just send me a heart sign if you are enjoying the session, and if you are learning something new from this particular session, please hit the like button for me, because lots of energy is going out and we can only give our best if we will get likes, because that is our motivation. Everybody, can we hit 70 likes in this session? Can we hit 70 likes in this session, everybody? Tell me. Yes sir, Ankit, correct answer. Yeah, I'm not getting tired when I take session in Hindi on that Gradeup Civil Champion, but when we solve, you know, questions again and again and again and again, so that time obviously, you know, the brain got messed up. Sometimes it happens, not all the time. Sometimes it happens, but it's fine. It's the part of the job. What we can do. All right, let's move to the next question now. Let's move to the next question now, everybody, with full power. Let's see what we can do about this, right? So the next question will be, let me see. All right, here we go. So this is the next question, everybody. Please give your best and get me the answer with full power. Where is the question? Yeah, this one. Please solve this question, everybody. कितने क्वेश्चन हैं अभी? सर क्वेश्चन बहुत है सर. मैं बहुत क्वेश्चन लेके आया था आपके लिए. हर एक चैप्टर से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूँ मैं. आंसर दीजिए प्लीज इसका. The head loss in a sudden expansion from 6 cm diameter pipe to 12 cm dia pipe in terms of velocity v1 is in the smaller dia pipe is how much? Come on, answer. सो अब ये नहीं कहते लाइक कहाँ है सर. जान नहीं बची सर कहने के लिए. सुबह 2 घंटे का सेशन लिया है सिविल चैम्पियन यूट्यूब चैनल पे, और उसके बाद 2 घंटे का पेड कोर्स लिया था. उसके बाद अब आपके पास आ गया हूँ. अभी इसके बाद 8 बजे फिर से क्लास है ग्रेडअप सिविल चैम्पियन पे. इफ़ यू वांट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम इरिगेशन इंजीनियरिंग you can join me at 8 p.m. I'll be solving lots of questions there also, and then 10 p.m. I have Dangal series. So yep, some days it is very busy and some days it is, you know, we sit idle, nothing we do. सारे क्वेश्चन करेंगे, फुल पावर से करेंगे. फुल पावर से आंसर दो मुझे इसका. The head loss in a sudden expansion from 6 cm dia to 12 cm dia in terms of velocity v1 in the smaller. Come on, let me know the answer. So it will be, the answer for this will be the head loss due to expansion, and that would be v1 minus v2 by 2g and iska square. Correct? Correct. So I know a1 v1 is equal to a2 v2 with the help of continuity equation. So from here I can say v2 will be equals to a1 v1 by a2, right? Or we can say, what is a1 and a2, guys? a1 and a2 you can find out from here. So it will be 6 square by 12 square. So 6 square is 36, 12 square is 144 v1. Cool. So v2 is equals to this. Now put this value. Now put this value in the question and let's see what we are getting. It will be how much? 13 से गया. It will be 1 by 4 v1. सही है ना? v2 is 1 by 4 v1. So with the help of this equation, let's find out the value. It will be 1 by 2g bracket v1 minus half 1 by 4 of v1. Cool है. So this should be how much? 9 by 16 v1 square by 2g. Everybody, very good. Correct answer Karthik. अब है good. Very good guys. Next question. Next question is this. Okay, the question is, it is a very easy question. So let's find out. In a siphon, or the summit is 5 meters above the water level in the tank from which the flow is being discharged. If the head loss from the inlet to the summit is 2.5 meter and the velocity head at the summit is 0.5 meter, taking this value is 10 appropriate value जो भी दिया है ये, the pressure head at the summit is what? This is what we have to find out. चलो भैया, गामा की वैल्यू भी दी हुई है हमें पानी के लिए. चलिए देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. तो हमें बेसिकली बोला जा रहा है कि यहाँ पे एक हमारे पास एक है छोटू सा रिजर्वॉयर, एक टैंक कह लीजिए. इससे हमारा जा रहा है एक साइफन निकल करके. साइफन आपका बेसिकली एक पाइप होता है जो पानी इधर से उधर ट्रांसफर करता है आपके लिए, राइट. कुछ इस प्रकार से ये जा रहा है यहाँ पे और ये जुड़ रहा है कहीं पे यहाँ करके, राइट. यही बोला है ना. थोड़ा सा नीचे ले चलते हैं इसको. एंड दिस इज हियर and something like this, right? So basically they are saying it is, if this is the water level in this particular reservoir A, then summit point is 5 meter above this one. Okay, 5 meter above this one. Very good, very good, very good. And this is the value. Now what we have to do is, they are saying that summit is this. Okay, if the head loss from inlet to summit is 2.5 meter, head loss दिया हुआ है 2.5. very good. So let's apply Bernoulli's equation at summit point and point A. At summit point and point A, let's apply Bernoulli's equation. Let's see what we are getting. So it will be PA by rho G plus VA square by 2G plus ZA equals to PS by rho G plus VS square by 2G plus ZS plus whatever the loss we have, right? So loss is already given to us as 2.5. So pressure here will be how much? 0, because I am talking about gauge pressure. So here the pressure is atmospheric pressure. So gauge pressure is how much? 0. So this is 0. Velocity here will be 0. This is itself a datum. So datum head is 0. It will be 0 plus 0 plus 0. What a combination. Right, and now PS by rho G I have to find out, guys, and velocity head is given as 0.5. it is given here. ZS is given as 5 meter and loss is also given as 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. सही है क्या? So from here the value of PS by rho G will be minus, देख लो कितना है, 0.5 plus this is 5.5 and this 7.5, 80 kilopascal is the value which I am getting. 80 kilopascal is the value which I am getting. Basically this will be 8 meter of water, 8 meter of water, but if you convert it into this PS, you will get 80 kilopascal. So A is the right answer. Set hai? Everyone getting 8? Everyone getting 8? Is there anyone who is getting some other answer? Set है. अगला सवाल देखेंगे full power के साथ. Okay जी. Two reservoir connected by a pipe of friction factor F has a difference in water surface elevation of capital H. If capital H and F were to remain constant, to increase the flow by 100%, the cross-sectional area of the flow would increase by dash. If I want to increase, guys, the flow by 100%, मतलब double जाए अभी, discharge जो है double जाना चाहिए. So cross-sectional area कितना बढ़ाना है? Basically this is the question, right? So we know that, guys, that your head is equals to, the loss of head is equals to what? It is proportional to your q square by d की power 5, right? With the help of your Darcy-Weisbach equation, we know this. Okay. Now we know this h we have to remain constant, right? So h is a constant value here. I can say that q square is proportional to d की power 5. Also I can say that with the help of this expression that q1 by q2 is proportional to d1 by d2 raised to the power 5. Cool hai? So q2 is what basically, guys? q2 is twice of q1 only, because I want 100%, right? Equals to d1 by d2 raised to the power how much? 5. Cool hai? So from here, guys, what I can get is, first of all, what is d1 by d2 here? What is d1 by d2 here? Can you please tell me, everybody? d1 by d2 is how much? It is 0.7578. सही है? Set है? Are you getting the same answer d1 by d2 for d1 by d2? Okay. 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 Right? From here, d1 by d2 will be this. Correct? Correct. Now the next thing is I have to find out that how much cross-sectional area would be increased, right? So come here back. So I know if d1 by d2 is that, then d2 by d1 will be what? 1.3195. Why I want d2 by d1? Because I want a2 by a1. a2 by a1 will be what? Pi by 4 d2 square over pi by 4 d1 square. Pi 4 से ये गया. So it will be 1.3195 का square. And that is 1.7411. So A2 is basically equals to 1.7411 times of A1, right? So now increase is how much? A2 minus A1 by A1 into 100, right? So this will be 1.7411 A1 minus A1 by A1 into 100 and this is very simple, this is 74.11%. Q2 डबल कैसे किया दोस्त? इसमें क्वेश्चन में बोला गया था कि अपने को इंक्रीज करना है फ्लो बाय 100%, मतलब डबल कर दो, मतलब डबल कर दो, ठीक है। इट विल बी Q1 स्क्वायर लिखा है ना, Q1 स्क्वायर तो लिखा है, मतलब डबल कर दो, 100% मीन्स डबल कर दो। अब मैं क्या बोल रहे हो दोस्त आप? सेट है एवरीबॉडी? डिड यू गॉट द सेम आंसर? डिड यू गॉट द सेम आंसर एवरीबॉडी? फोर आएगा, क्या चीज फोर आएगा उधर? D1 बाई D2 क्या फोर आएगा, एक बार प्लीज बता दीजिए। एक बार बता दीजिए क्या फोर आएगा, तो मैं देखता हूं क्या गलत है इसमें। Q1 आएगा, तो ये भी तो है ना, D की पावर 5 भी तो है ना, इसको नहीं कंसिडर कर रहे हो आप? अच्छा इधर, अबे भाई लो यार, सही है, आंसर सही है अपना, लेकिन अपने पास सोल्यूशन है, अब आपके पास भी है, कर दिया मैंने चेंज, देख लो, सही कह रहे हो। चलो आगे देखें, चलो भाई अगला सवाल देख लेते हैं अपन। अगला सवाल इजी होगा तो आगे बढ़ जाएंगे। अबे यार ये तो वो है, अ पाइप 100 मीटर लेंथ एंड 200 mm डायामीटर एंड फ्रिक्शन इतना टू बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय इतना एंड इतना फॉर द हेड लॉस ऑफ द सेम मैग्नीट्यूड द इक्विवेलेंट लेंथ इज गिवन एज व्हाट। तो आपको बोला जा रहा है फॉर हेड लॉस ऑफ द सेम मैग्नीट्यूड, मतलब हेड लॉस इक्वेट कर दो दोनों का, राइट। तो HF1 बराबर HF2 करना है। HF1 कितना हो जाएगा अपना, यहां से देख लो ध्यान से फटाफट से, क्या क्या दिया गया है आपको, फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर वगैरह सब दिया गया है, और बस ठीक है, तो कर लेते हैं, इसमें कितना ही मुश्किल है ये तो, राइट। और F1 F2 अलग अलग है ना, F1 F2 अलग अलग दिया होगा, राइट। तो अपन लगा लेते हैं डार्सी-फिशबैक इक्वेशन जो थी अपनी FL_Q² वाली, राइट। FL_Q² अपॉन क्या था 12.1 D की पावर 5, सही है ना, बराबर इसको कर दो 1 के लिए, और FL_Q² अपॉन 12.1 D की पावर 5, ये लो भाई 1 के लिए कर दिया। यहाँ से डिस्चार्ज तो हटा ही दो, दोनों में डिस्चार्ज तो सेम ही रखना है ना हमें, सेम हॉल्ड लो, सेम मैग्नीट्यूड इक्विवेलेंट, हाँ जी। और लेंथ भी हटानी है क्या इसमें? नहीं, लेंथ के लिए तो चाहिए। तो बता दो भाई आंसर इसमें कितना मुश्किल बचा। फ्रिक्शन फैक्टर दिया है ना, यहाँ पे फैक्टर दिया है, दोनों में फैक्टर दिया है, दोनों में फैक्टर दिया है। तो बेसिकली इसमें होता क्या है अपने पास कि L इक्विवेलेंट अगर निकालना है आपको, L इक्विवेलेंट विल बी इक्वल टू F1 बाई F2 इंटू D2 बाई D1 की पावर 5 इंटू L1, ठीक है, इंटू L1। पुट कर दो सारी वैल्यूज, F1 बोले तो 0.015, F2 बोले तो 0.012 ब्रैकेट ब्रैकेट, D2 बोले तो कितना है 0.4 या फिर 400 ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो, वो रेशियो कट जाएगा 0.2 का पावर 5, और L1 अपने को बोला है 100 मीटर, ठीक है ना, 100 मीटर। तो यहां से जो आंसर आना चाहिए कितना आएगा, ये वाला आप बताओगे यार, 4 किलोमीटर सही है जवाब आपका, बहुत बढ़िया। आगे देखें अगला सवाल। अरे बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन आ गया, इतने टाइम बाद, थक गया यार, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन आ गया इतनी देर बाद, है ना। चलो बोला है कैविटेशन इज लाइकली टू अकर इफ, कैविटेशन कब होगा अपने को ये देखना है, जब प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा तब होगा कैविटेशन, नहीं भाई ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं होता। टेम्परेचर कम हो जाएगा, नहीं ऐसा भी नहीं होगा। प्रेशर एट स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट फॉल बिलो द वेपर प्रेशर, बिल्कुल सही बात है, जब भी कभी प्रेशर आपका वेपर प्रेशर से कम हो जाएगा उसी टाइम बॉइलिंग शुरू हो जाएगी और उसकी वजह से बबल्स आ जाएंगे, बबल्स आने से कैविटेशन हो जाएगा। क्यों? बबल्स बॉम्बार्ड करेंगे आपके वॉल पे, राइट। सो आपका 3 सही है। इसके अब एनर्जी इज रिलीज विद द ऑनसेट ऑफ हाई इंटेंसिटी वेव ड्यू टू नॉइज एंड वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द मशीन, ये भी सही है, इसके कारण से भी आपकी जो डिजॉल्व गैसेज है वो बाहर आती हैं, ठीक है। आगे देखिए, वेलोसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन अ बाउंड्री लेयर फ्लो ओवर अ प्लेट इज गिवन बाय दिस, u by um equals to 1.5 n, n is equals to y by delta, where y is the distance measured normal to the plate, right, normal to the plate. A and delta is the boundary layer thickness, and and u क्या लिखा है यार, um होगा ये, um is the maximum velocity, and um is the maximum velocity if the shear stress acting on the plate, shear stress tau acting on the plate is given by tau is equals to k mu um by delta, where mu is the dynamic viscosity of the fluid, k takes the value of dash, मतलब k का वैल्यू बताना है, k का वैल्यू बोला है अपने को निकालने को, तो u by um हमें पता है अपना 1.5 जो भी है ये ईटा बीटा, और ईटा अपने को बोला है कितना, y by डेल्टा, सही है। तो u बेसिकली अपना कितना है 1.5 um इंटू वाई इंटू डेल्टा, यही है ना, कुछ अलग तो नहीं बता दिया, जो क्वेश्चन में दिया है मैं वही लिखा हूं, राइट। नाउ ट्राई टू डिफरेंशिएट इट, du by dy विल बी इक्वल्स टू व्हाट, 1.5 um by delta, finish. Now I know tau is equals to mu du by dy, right. Now instead of du by dy put this mu 1.5 mu um by delta, or you can say 1.5 mu um by delta bracket में. So just compare these two equation. Aren't they same? They are same. So C is the right answer, 1.5. Okay, ready, full power, set है. Next question. Okay, this is the next question everybody. The velocity profile for a turbulent boundary layer. This is 10-second or 20-second question, so please give me the answer quickly. Please give me the answer quickly everybody with full power. The velocity profile for a turbulent boundary layer will be dash A, B, C, D. Everybody answer now. Everybody answer now. Everybody answer. Full power. Yes, did you got the answer? Did you got the answer everybody? Come on, come on, come on. D. So what power law does turbulent flow follows? This is the question basically. So it will be what? It will be 1 by 7, correct. Cool. No, D. A, B, C, D सारे आंसर दे दो, सब आंसर दो. B भाई, the velocity profile of turbulent boundary flow is this because it follows 1/7 power law. Okay, 1/7 power law. तो फिर why you are giving other answer, right? Gyanendra, right, correct answer. Next question. Okay, the shape factor for velocity profile u by u y by delta is equals to 1/7. Answer please. Shape factor you have to tell. Shape factor you have to tell. Come on, delta star by theta momentum thickness. This you have to tell. Come on, answer. So the shortcut to this is this, m plus 2 by 7 basically, right? Here m is this value, okay, and this here is 7. So delta star by theta will be equals to 7 plus 2 by 7. That would be 1.284, which is almost equals to 1.29 मीटर. सेट है, फुल पावर से सेट होना चाहिए भाई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. चलो बताइए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. The following are the velocity profile of a flow over a boundary. Choose the corrected matched given below. Come on, कौन सा इसमें से attached है, कौन सा detached है, and which one is on the verge of the separation? If all of them are matched correctly or if there is some problem. Answer everybody. Full power. You have exactly 1 minute and your time starts now. You have exactly 1 minute and your time starts now, everybody. आ गया? All right, all right. So guys, basically when you're first of all, let's try. Okay, let's try all of them, right? So how to find out? Let's see du by dy at y is equals to 0 only, right? At y is equals to 0, what we are getting. So let's see, du by dy of this will be 2 1 by delta, right, minus it will be 2y, right, 2y, and this should be delta only, right? So from here what should be the answer, guys? At y is equals to 0, what should be the answer, guys? Can you please tell me? Y delta square रहेगा ये, because here we have a whole square delta. Let me just change it. 2y by delta square. When y is equals to 0, ये तो 0 हो गया. So this will be 2 by delta. This is the positive value. If it is positive, it is attached. So this is correct. So this is correct. Now let's see the next one. Right? Let's see the next one. Next one is again du by dy. Let's try. At y is equals to 0. What is the value which we are getting? It will be minus 2y by delta. So this will be 1 by delta. डिफरेंशिएशन किया तो 1 बाय डेल्टा, प्लस इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया तो कितना, डायरेक्टली ऐसा y आएगा, वी नो दैट. इसको 0 0 पुट कर दो, कोई सीन नहीं है, डायरेक्टली. सो इट इज कमिंग नेगेटिव, सो इट शुड बी डिटैच्ड. सो दिस इज डिटैच्ड. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई दिस वन. सो du by dy at y is equals to 0. So everywhere I'll be getting y, right? Everywhere I'll be getting y. Everywhere I'll be getting y. So obviously the whole term will be 0. So it is on the separation verge. So it is also true. So all are correct. 1, 2, 3, all are correct, everybody. 1, 2, 3, all are correct, everybody. Next. So the next thing is you have to tell me, for laminar flow between parallel plates separated by a distance 2h, the head loss varies dash. The head loss varies dash. For laminar flow between parallel plates separated by a distance of 2h, head loss varies dash. Answer everybody. Answer everybody. So I know that HF should be equals to 12 mu VL upon rho G, right? And this will be 2h into 1 square, right? Right. And wait, 12 mu, if I write it in terms of discharge, QL by, it will be rho G 2h whole cube, right? So basically your HF varies by h cube, right? So your answer should be this one. For head loss from parallel plate, right? Head loss from parallel plate. So it should be h cube or h square. Can you quickly let me know, everybody? It should be h square or h cube. Answer. It should be h square or h cube. Everybody quickly let me know in the comment box. Everybody quickly let me know in the comment box. बी, अरे एच तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा यार, अलग ही नया ऑप्शन मतलब, सी या डी में से बोलो, डी, ऐसा क्यों, बट वाई, बट वाई, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज वाई, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट, डी इज राइट आंसर, बट वाई, बोलो 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 quickly. For laminar flow between parallel plates separated by a distance to h, the head loss varies. The head loss varies. जी बिल्कुल सही है, एच क्यूब आपका बिल्कुल सही जवाब है, इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एच क्यूब, inversely proportional to h cube. Okay, so next time when this will come, please remember it will be inversely proportional to h cube, discharge being constant property, right? That is why we are taking this h cube. Next question, क्या है ये, हाँ जी, two tanks containing an oil of density 950 kg per meter cube and dynamic viscosity is 8 into 10 की power minus 2 pascal second are connected by a 15 centimeter dia pipeline of length 100 meter. The maximum difference in the elevation in the oil surface that can exist while maintaining laminar flow in the pipe will be how much? Come on, tell me full power say. So first of all, I know that it is a laminar flow because we have to make it, we have to maintain the laminar flow. I know what will be the laminar flow, guys. Can you please tell me? Laminar flow के लिए what should be the value of Reynolds number? It should be 2000, right? So it will be Vd by nu. It will be Vd by nu. सर वो एम का शॉर्ट फॉर्मूला बता दीजिए दोस्त, मैं बताता हूँ, अभी रुक जाओ एक सेकंड ना, एक तो वही वाला था जो मैंने उस टाइम बताया आपको, राइट, 2000 इक्वल्स टू वी डी बाय न्यू हो गया, राइट, यहाँ से हम लोग निकाल लेते हैं वेलोसिटी, तो ये हो जाएगा 2000 इंटू और काइनेमैटिक विस्कोसिटी कितनी हो जाएगी, म्यू बाय रो, तो म्यू है अपना 8 की पावर 8 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 2 और रो है अपना 950, ये हो गया न्यू, राइट, एंड द डाया इज हाउ मच, 15 सेंटीमीटर, सो 1 बाय 0.15, ये हो गया मीटर में, सो वेलोसिटी यहां से आ जाएगा आपको एंड दैट शुड बी 1.123 मीटर पर सेकेंड, करेक्ट. नाउ द वैल्यू ऑफ हेड लॉस निकालना कितना मुश्किल है, वेरी सिंपल, 32 म्यू वी एल बाय रो जी डी स्क्वायर, पुट ऑल द वैल्यूज, द एच एफ वैल्यू विल बी 32, डायनेमिक विस्कोसिटी इज गिवन एज 8 इंटू 10 की पावर माइनस 2, वेलोसिटी आई हैव जस्ट फाउंड आउट एज 1.123 मीटर पर सेकेंड एंड वेलोसिटी के बाद लेंथ भी दिया हुआ है अपने को 100 डिवाइडेड बाय डेंसिटी इज 950 एंड g is 9.81 and dia is 0.15 square. So from here the value of HF is 1.37 meter. So A is the right answer. Correct? Are you getting the same answer? Is there anyone who is getting different answer from here? Clear है? Set है scene full power के साथ. आ जाओ next question. The water flows fully through the rectangular channel of lateral dimension 4 meter into 3 meter. The slope of energy line and Chase's constant is given as 0.0006 plus and 90 respectively. Which of the following are true for the given channel? Now this is a MSQ question. Everybody answer. This is a MSQ question. MSQ क्वेश्चन है, आंसर दीजिए फटाफट से. दिस इज MSQ क्वेश्चन, सो आंसर क्विकली. We have solved lot and lot of question, guys. I don't know how many, but lots of question. This is what I know. Let me calculate, and you till then please solve this question. The hint is this is the MSQ question. Please remember this. ओके, एनी गेसेस हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस वी हैव डिस्कस्ड? आई हैव कैलकुलेटेड. एनी गेसेस, कितने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए होंगे हमने? बोलो, क्या लगता है कितने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लिए होंगे? मस्त क्वेश्चन थे यार, बहुत सारे थे. आंसर आया क्या? मैं बताऊं उसका आंसर. देखो, अपने को क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, हमें रेक्टेंगुलर चैनल का डायमेंशन दिया है 4 मीटर इंटू 3 मीटर दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. और बोला है अपने को स्लोप की एनर्जी लाइन की स्लोप दी हुई है, और अपने को चेजिस का कांस्टेंट दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. हाँ, 40 प्लस चल रहा है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू फॉर द गिवन चैनल, राइट. मुझे नहीं लगता इसमें से रिपीटेड एक आधा सवाल होगा जो रिपीट हुआ होगा, राइट. बाकी मैंने ट्राई किया है कि नया ही हो. नहीं भाई, 25-30 नहीं, 40 से ऊपर आ गया, राइट. तो चलिए, हाँ ये सही बोला कार्तिक, एकदम. अभी अपन कर रहे हैं 39th क्वेश्चन. चलो, द वेलोसिटी यहाँ पे अपनी क्या नीचे हम लोग देख लेते हैं. मेरे पास पूरा लिखा हुआ है. तो अपने को पता है कि विद द हेल्प ऑफ चेजिस फॉर्मूला वी नो C√RS होता है हमारे पास, किसकी वेलोसिटी होती है. यहाँ पे R होता है हाइड्रोलिक रेडियस, तो M से लिखा हुआ मैंने. M आपका हाइड्रोलिक रेडियस, I आपका स्लोप ऑफ एनर्जी लाइन. तो वेलोसिटी निकाल लेंगे यहाँ से. C की वैल्यू 90 दी गई थी, और आपका हाइड्रोलिक रेडियस होता क्या है, वेटेड एरिया अपॉन वेटेड पैरामीटर. वेटेड एरिया कितना हो जाएगा 4 × 3. वेटेड पैरामीटर कितना हो जाएगा 4 + 2 × 3 इंटू स्लोप हो जाएगा अपना दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो 2.414 मीटर पर सेकेंड तो वेलोसिटी आ गई. अब अपने को एरिया पता है 2 × 4 होता है, 2 इंटू कितना 3 × 4 बोला है एरिया. तो एरिया इंटू वेलोसिटी कर दो, आपको डिस्चार्ज आ जाएगा. तो 2.414 एंड 28.196. तो आपका A एंड D आर द करेक्ट आंसर. सेट है, सेट है गाइज. A एंड D इज द राइट आंसर. अगर आपने A निकाल लिया था तो D में तो मुझे लगता ही नहीं कोई डाउट आना चाहिए आपको, क्योंकि सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको 12 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. A channel carrying a discharge of 50 cubic meter per second is installed with sluice gate at a section to raise the water level to some elevation due to prevailing surrounding circumstances. If the gate width of 3 meter when partially opened with an opening of 1.5 meter results in an hydraulic jump, calculate the post hydraulic jump depth. अपने को निकालनी है पोस्ट हाइड्रोलिक जंप. बाद में मतलब जो y2 वैल्यू है ना वो चाहिए अपने को, चाहिए y2 वैल्यू. चलो भाई, आंसर हो जाए. हाइड्रोलिक जंप में बोला है पोस्ट, ठीक है. हाइड्रोलिक जंप निकालनी है आपको. क्या बोल रहे हो दोस्त? पैरामीटर में 4 बेस के लिए है, 4 बेस के लिए यहां पे दिया है ना B × H, 4 मीटर × 3 मीटर दिया है ना, इसलिए लिया है, राइट. LBH होता है ना, LBH ऐसे देते हैं ना हम लोग, जब ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखा होता है लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट, तो B × H, या लेंथ होता तो लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट. आंसर. चलो मैं इसका सोल्यूशन दिखाता हूं आपको. तो सबसे पहले अपने को यहाँ पे क्या चाहिए, देखो हमें निकालना है बेलेंजर इक्वेशन यूज करनी है. जब भी कभी हमें निकालना हो कॉन्जुगेट डेप्थ या सीक्वेंट डेप्थ, तो अपन यूज करते हैं बेलेंजर इक्वेशन, जो मैंने आपको बोर्ड पे लिखी हुई है. y2/y1 इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ √1 + 8f1² - 1. सही है. अच्छा, अब यहाँ पे मुझे चाहिए f1 की वैल्यू. अगर मुझे चाहिए y2 का वैल्यू तो मुझे f1 का वैल्यू भी चाहिए. f1 निकालने का मैंने आपको तरीका बताया हुआ है, ये होता है q²t/ga³, ठीक है. जब आपका q²t/ga³ बराबर होता है 1 के, इसका मतलब है हम क्रिटिकल कंडीशन की बात कर रहे हैं, राइट. तो क्या हम q² और a³ निकाल सकते हैं? हम बिल्कुल निकाल सकते हैं. देखिए दोस्त, यहाँ पे डिस्चार्ज हमें 50 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड क्वेश्चन में दिया गया था. टॉप विड्थ आपको 3 मीटर दी गई थी. प्री जंप जो डेप्थ दी गई थी वो 1.5 मीटर दी थी. सबसे पहले तो फ्राउड नंबर निकालूंगा मैं. यहां से डिस्चार्ज पुट कर दिया 50, आपका टॉप विड्थ रख दिया 3 और एरिया रख दिया 3 × 1.5. करेक्ट, बिल्कुल सही. यहां से आ गया फ्राउड नंबर 2.896. यहां पे वैल्यू पुट करी फ्राउड नंबर की 2.896. y1 की वैल्यू 1.5 क्वेश्चन में गिवन थी, y2 आ गया 5.4 मीटर. किसी को कोई डाउट, कोई भी दिक्कत, कोई भी परेशानी, आप प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं मुझसे. अभी तक सेट चल रहा है फुल पावर के साथ भाई. एक बार हार्ट साइन हो जाए कमेंट बॉक्स में. बहुत सारे कल तो है अपना इलाका तो ये भी अपना, पर अपना जो वाला है ना एकदम प्यार जो होता है, पहला प्यार, वो होता है पहला ही प्यार रहता है। तो अपना हाईवे जो है वो पहला प्यार है, राइट। तो कल है हाईवे इंजीनियरिंग का मॉक गेट टेस्ट, उसमें भी जबरदस्त क्वेश्चन आएंगे। अच्छा, आज के क्वेश्चन अच्छे थे कि नहीं थे, बस इतना बता दो मुझे, तो मैं उस हिसाब से फिर आगे देखूं। सही थे ना, कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं थी सर? इन टोटल एफ एम इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेटेज समझा सकते हैं क्या सर? वेटेज के हिसाब से देखो, सबसे ज़्यादा वेटेज अब जो बचा है वो आपका बचा है फ्लूइड डायनेमिक्स का, फ्लो थ्रू पाइप का। सबसे ज़्यादा वेटेज इन दो चैप्टर्स का होता है। इसके बाद टर्बुलेंट फ्लो सबसे कम होता है, फ्लूइड प्रॉपर्टीज भी कम होता है, बायंसी फ्लोटेशन कम होता है, हाइड्रोस्टैटिक कम आता है, और काइनेमैटिक्स तो उन्होंने आधे से ज़्यादा हटा ही दिया है, उसमें कुछ चाहिए नहीं आपको। कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन है, कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन क्वेश्चन आएगा देखना। इस बार ड्रैग फोर्स से क्वेश्चन बहुत सही आने वाला है, क्योंकि ड्रैग फोर्स को अलग से लिखा है, ये मेरा प्रेडिक्शन है ऑब्वियसली, ऐसा मैं 100% तो कह नहीं सकता, राइट। और ड्रैग फोर्स लेकिन करके जाना, ड्रैग फोर्स मिस मत करना। इसके अलावा बाउंड्री लेयर थिकनेस वाला जो कॉन्सेप्ट होता है ना, वो देख लेना, उसका क्वेश्चन नहीं आया बहुत टाइम से। फिर आपका फ्लो लेमिनार फ्लो जो होता है उस पर क्वेश्चन आएगा। ओपन चैनल फ्लो में तो सभी कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है, कोई भी ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है उसमें, ठीक है। क्यू का के का क्या होता है दोस्त भरत? मेरे को नहीं समझ आया क्या बोल रहा हूँ। 8 PM पे इरिगेशन का भी है ना सर? भाई वो तो बहुत ही गजब होने वाला है, उसकी पीपीटी तो मैं पता नहीं कब से बना के बैठा हूँ। और उसमें जो एनईटी सवाल है ना भाई, जो उसमें एमएसक्यू क्वेश्चन है ना, बेहतरीन, नेक्स्ट लेवल। चलो अगला सवाल देखते हैं। अ रेक्टेंगुलर चैनल ऑफ विड्थ 6 मीटर इज कैरिंग अ डिस्चार्ज ऑफ 54 मीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड। इफ द डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वन एंड ऑफ हाइड्रोलिक जंप इज 1.3 मीटर, देन व्हाट इज द पावर डेसिपेटेड इन द जंप? चलो, अच्छा सुपर दबंग थैंक यू सो मच भरत, थैंक यू सो मच कृतिका, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी एल्स। सर क्वेश्चन इज गुड बट टाइम वाज लेस। यस अंकित, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड दोस्त, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि अगर मैंने टाइम दिया ना तो क्वेश्चन कम सॉल्व करा पाऊंगा, और क्वेश्चन मेरा अगर मैंने दे दिया आपको ना तो आप फिर खुद से भी कर सकते हो, राइट। एक बार सोल्यूशन अगर आपको आ गया तो, मैंने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं दे पाया तो फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा, है ना, नींद नहीं आएगी मेरे को रात को। सर एक्स ई एफ एम स्पेशल, एक्स ई बोले तो एक्स ई क्या होता है यार? ये तो हमको नहीं आता। चलो आंसर दीजिए इसका प्लीज। अ रेक्टेंगुलर चैनल ऑफ विड्थ 6 मीटर, आपको बोला गया है एक रेक्टेंगुलर चैनल है जिसकी विड्थ 6 मीटर है, राइट। और आपको डिस्चार्ज भी बता दिया गया है। इफ अच्छा ये वो अपनी ब्रांच जो है उसकी बात होती है क्या? इफ द डेप्थ ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वन एंड ऑफ हाइड्रोलिक जंप इज दिस, व्हाट इज द पावर डेसिपेटेड? तो अपने को देखो दोनों की दोनों डेप्थ चाहिए होती है पावर डेसिपेशन अगर निकालना है, क्योंकि होता है E1 - T2 का पावर 3/4 Y1/2, ये होता है फॉर्मूला उसका, राइट। इंजीनियरिंग साइंस, अच्छा अरे नहीं मैम, अपना सिविल ही नहीं हो पाता हमसे तो पूरा। चलिए आगे देखते हैं दोस्त, इसका आंसर मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। तो सबसे पहले तो अपने को चाहिए होगा यहाँ पे वही बेलेंजर इक्वेशन से y2 का वैल्यू। y2 में मेरे को चाहिए सबसे पहले f1। f1 कितना होता है यहाँ पे हम लोग निकाल लेते हैं फटाफट से। f1 की वैल्यू हम लोग निकाल लेते हैं यहाँ से फटाफट से। तो f1 आ जाएगा हमारा 3 सर मुझे पता नहीं था सर प्रकाश जी, 3.76। मैंने हमेशा बताया, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ सबको दैट मेरे को कुछ नहीं आता सिविल के अलावा, कुछ समझ नहीं आता बात है, समझ रहे हो। इंस्टाग्राम पे भी मैंने सदियों बाद कल फोटो डाली है एक, वो भी इतना सोचने के बाद कि डालें ना डालें, क्या डालें अब यार छड़ो, समझ रहे हो। तो जीवन में इतना घुस चुके हैं सिविल में कि अभी एक्सी वैक्सी को समझ नहीं आता क्या है क्या नहीं है, राइट। एलन मस्क के बेटे का नाम, अबे इतना देखो हमको ही पता है, ठीक है, इतना पागल मत बनाओ। आंसर तो चलो, आंसर क्या मतलब, सोल्यूशन दे दिया मैंने, देख लो। अपने को F1 निकाल लिया, F1 से अपने पास सीक्वेंट डेप्थ आ गई y2 वाली, ठीक है। ये हो गया अपना लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी। अब यहाँ पे ये जो था ये शायद आपको ना पता होता कि पावर लॉस जो होता है दैट इज रो जी क्यू इंटू ई एल। तो डिस्चार्ज अपने को दिया हुआ था, रो जी निकालना आपके लिए कोई बड़ी बात बची नहीं है। यहाँ पे आप सोच रहे हो कि 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया, 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि हमको आंसर चाहिए था किलोवाट में, ठीक है, हमको चाहिए इज्जत फुल, राइट। सेट है, आगे बढ़ रहा हूं मैं बहुत तेजी से, देख लो। स्टार्ट आ दिया ना, आपको फॉलो करते, कोई बात नहीं, अभी वापस आके फिर कर लेना, बहुत टाइम है जीवन में, हम कहीं नहीं जा रहे। चलिए सर, तो ये हो गया है आपके सेशन का अंत, और फिर मिलेंगे हम आपसे कल। लेकिन हाँ, मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि वी हैव दिस लॉट्स ऑफ पेड कोर्सेज आल्सो विद अस। So Gear Up Gate is for those students who want to build their concepts, and Rank Up is for those students who want to improve their ranks, and Vision 2022 is full package of ESE and GATE. where you will be getting the concepts of GATE and ESE, technical as well as non-technical syllabus. You will get the notes, you will get the PDF of the notes, you will get the quizzes, you will get mock test. Also, all the classes will be live only, and in case you are not able to see any live class, you can watch the video later on also n number of times, as well as if in case you have low internet connection, then whenever your internet connection is good, you can download the video and watch them without internet also. Do I have to हाँ जी कर देगा, do I have to okay, टेलीग्राम से याद आया guys, please everybody टेलीग्राम group please join कर लीजिए. If you want the PDF of this session, you have to join the Telegram group which is there in the description box, right? Otherwise you can simply search for, let me see what is the name of the Telegram group because I don't use it much. ये है Gradeup Gate के नाम से भाई, सर्च कर लेना, मिल जाएगा Gradeup Gate, ठीक है, राइट. थैंक यू सो मच. मैं मिलूंगा आपसे फिर 8 बजे. आई विल सी यू एट एग्जैक्टली 8 PM, राइट. आई विल सी यू एग्जैक्टली एट 8 PM. Cool. And then we will discuss the questions of irrigation engineering, the most expected question, right? And now my throat is almost gone, so I have to save it for 8 PM and 10 PM also. I'll see you soon. Till then, just take care of yourself, take care of your family, and I'll be meeting you tomorrow 4 PM with highway engineering questions, right? So thank you so much everybody. Thank you for being here. I'll send all these questions PDF in your Telegram group, right? So just prep smart, stay safe, go Gradeup. Thank you so much everybody.